Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So I have a question. Simplify 9 raised to power b multiplied by 27 raised to power b plus 1. Everything over 81 raised to power b minus 1. So let's get started. Solution. So we have 4 steps. Your first step here is to express all basics as power of 3. All your bases. We have base 9, we have base 27 on our denominator rather, we have base 83. So convert them or express them. So as a power of 3. So 9. So 9. We have 9. So 9 raised to power b. So I want to convert it to base. That's 3 raised to power 2b. That's 3 raised to power 2b. So another one, base 27. 27b plus 1. So we have it like 3 raised to power 3 into brackets b plus 1. So then you can come here and say, write your number, the number of 9b. So write it here, 3 raised to power 2b multiplied by, what's the value of 27? Is 3 raised to power 3b plus 3, because 3 multiplied by 1, 3 multiplied by b, that's 3b. So everything over 3 raised to power 4b, right, minus 4. So you can also express in it. After that, simplify. Another step is to simplify simplify numerator and denominator. So we have 3 raised to power 2b, right, multiplied by our numerator. We still have 3 raised to power 3b plus 3, right? So let's look at the numerator first. What's the value of numerator? We have 3 base, we have another base. So take 1, you have 3. This is 2b, right? Now this sign, this multiplication will change to plus. So you have plus 3b, right, plus 3. So what's the value? We have 3 is over 5b. 3 plus 3b, 2b plus 3b. We have 5b plus 3. So that's the value of numerator. So you cannot say we have. So the next step is to divide by the denominator. Divide by the denominator. So when dividing the same base, so you subtract the entire exponent of the denominator. So you have 3 raised to power 5b, right, plus 3. So divided by, we have, where's our denominator? 3 raised to power 3 raised to power 4b plus 4. Sorry, there's minus 4. So we have 3. You take 1 out of the 3 base, so you have 5b plus 3 minus 4b minus 4. So what do we have? We have 3 raised to power. So we want to open the bracket right now. So we have 5 raised to power b plus 3, right? Now let's open the bracket. You have minus 4b minus times minus, you have plus 4, right? So that's how you solve it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video. So thank you for doing that. So let's go. So when you have 3, now look at our power. So you have to rearrange. You have 5b, then there's another b, 4b minus 4b, right? And then plus 3, then plus 4. Do you get it now? So you have 3 raised to power, if you say 5b minus 4b, that means it's going to give you 1b, but don't call it 1b. It's going to give you b, because 1 times b is the same thing as b. 1 times b is b, so don't write 1b, write b. Now plus 3 plus 4, you have 7. So ladies and gentlemen, that's your final answer. So that's your final answer. Thank you so much. See you in the next class.